Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a new haul with all the Sanrio items that I picked up recently. So if you're interested, then let's get started. So let's get started with this first. So I want to show you this new collection that came out in January for my Melody's birthday. It was the Ballerina Collection, as you can see. So I picked up some of the items that I really liked. So let me show you up close. So the first thing that I want to show you is this adorable My Melody Mascot plushie. As you can see, she is the ballerina and she is wearing these ballerina shoes and a ballerina dress, and she has these super cute rabbit ears, and I am just absolutely in love with this Mascot plushie and its design. This whole collection was just amazing. All of the tiny details, such as like the pearls and the bows on her dress and the little layers here and the bows, and she has pearls on her ears and these flowers, and just everything about this design is so cute. And this is how it looks like in the back. I am just speechless. So this Mascot plushie comes with this chain, so you can put it on your bag if you want to, or I just keep it as a decoration piece in my room. But this is the most beautiful My Melody I've ever seen in my life, so I'm super happy that I managed to get this. And the same kind of thing is also My Sweet Piano, and I was so happy that they released a Mascot plushie with My Sweet Piano, because you know how much I love her. So they also had a Kuromi one, but I decided to just go with these two because they were kind of expensive. So My Sweet Piano is also wearing the ballet shoes and the dress with all the pearl details, and she has pearls on her head, and she has a different bow with the flowers and the rabbit ears, and she is really soft compared to My Melody. So My Melody is more smooth, and of course My Sweet Piano is a sheep, so that's why she is way softer and fluffier. And I am just so absolutely in love with this. Just everything about this collection is what I like. It's pink, it has flowers, it has pearls, it's just so cute. So I am super happy that I got this. And the same kind of thing is also these two little tiny My Melody My Sweet Piano. So this is actually a brooch. As you can see in the back, it comes with these pins, so you can put this on your clothes or on your bag, and this would be really cool to take to Puro or any themed cafe and just put it on your clothes to take pictures. So as you can see, these are so tiny, but they also have a lot of details. So they have again the pearls here and on their ears, and they have flowers and stuff on their head. The ears are like felt material, so they're a little bit different from the bigger plushie, but still. And again, they have the shoes, and it's just so adorable. I love these so much, so I will be definitely using these whenever I go to Pure Land or something like that. And another thing that I also picked up from the same collection is this is a set of a folder and this mask case. So let me show you up close. This is just a regular A4 folder that opens up like this, but the design of this folder is just everything I could ever hope for, because it is super pink, it has flowers everywhere, it has these ballet shoes and just roses and all of these cute details, and My Melody of course is super adorable in her ballet dress. And this is how it looks like in the back, so it's a little bit different from the front because here she's just standing, but again it's all really pink, and all of the details of this folder are just absolutely amazing. And it did come with this extra little folder, which you can use as a mask case, or you can also use it just to put like tickets or any kind of small papers or documents. As you can see, it opens up like this, like a little envelope, and you can actually close it with this little bow so it doesn't open up. And the design is also extremely cute with different kind of My Melodies dancing. And in the back she is also dancing and standing around, and I just love this so much. Her facial expressions and her design is just the cutest thing ever. So these are all of the items that I picked up from the My Melody Ballerina collection, and now let me show you other things. So these are the next two items that I picked up from Pure Land. These are from the Sweets Puro event, which is currently going on in Pure Land, and the whole event is based around strawberries and cherries and all the cute berries for the springtime. So the first Mascot plushie that I picked up is this super adorable My Melody. So as you can see, her dress has strawberries everywhere because it's Sweets Puro, and Sweets Puro collections are always just extremely cute. So all the little details like her bows on the shoes and stuff like that is extremely cute. And this is how it looks like in the back, again with the strawberries. And this Mascot plushie comes not only with the chain but also with a little pin, which is super convenient if you want to put this on your back so that it doesn't fall off, because if you put it just with the chain, there is a chance that you may lose it, which we do not want to happen. So in case you do that, make sure you always have some kind of a pin on the back of your plushie when you put it onto the bag. So I love this My Melody so much, and one of the reasons why I got her, because there was another one where she was wearing a hat, but I decided to go for this one because her ears are up and down like this. So recent My Melodies usually have the ears down like this one, but this Mascot plushie has ears up and down, which is kind of hard to find recently from the recent releases. So that's why I decided to get this one, and I absolutely love this Mascot plushie. And the one more thing that I was even more excited about is this My Sweet Piano from the Puro collection. Again, I love her so much, and this is probably my favorite from all of the Mascot plushies that I have, at least from the smaller ones, because look at her, like how can you not love this? This is so freaking cute, and she is themed around cherries. I hope you guys can see, but her dress has cherries everywhere, and like her little I don't even know what this is, like the cherry pom-poms here are so cute, and on her head she has all of these really cute bows and everything, and she is so fluffy and just the most precious thing ever. And again, it comes with the pin and the chain, which is so nice, and I was so happy and so excited to get this. Before it was even released, when I saw this online, I just died inside because of how cute this is, so I just had to get her. So these are the only two things that I picked up from the Puro collection, but I love them so much. Okay, you guys, so these are all of the items that I picked up for this time. I know this was kind of a shorter haul compared to what I usually do, but I hope you liked it anyway. So let me know if you have any of these items, or let me know which one is your favorite, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!